LGU Sarat para iti turnover of documents. Kaya ito'y transition ti incoming yung ti outgoing administration iti Sarat, Ilocos Norte. No pa'y agama, Idol Joan, nagiti naputusan a mayor ken vice mayor in baga ni Mayor Remigio Medrano ket masurot ti amin na proseso kagugas ta ket magita for the sake of transparency iti dokumento iti munisipyo iti Sarat. At iti simple programa nga maangay itang bigat Idol Joan para palang kalatoy panakay datag dagitay dokumentos para palang iti agdamang estado iti Sarat, Ilocos Norte. Iti makinuman ni Mayor Medrano, sir, kumusta dati ko ang kay panagsan itang aldaw kaya ito'y turnover dagiti documents.
Third program, the turnover of the documents in the executive department to the new set of administration. This is the new local chief executive in the person of Mayor-elect Ralph Conrad Medrano, and all the documents necessary as required by law will be handed over to him by later yan sa conference room sa baba.
About sa sanggunian?
Unfortunately, mukhang wala pa silang handa na turnover sa atin dahil wala naman silang initiation or any initiated move on the part of the legislative department to invite me for the formal turnover of any documents. And I have created the members of the transition team, and they will furnish a copy of that. And in fact, the SB secretary is part of the transition team, and I'm waiting for them to make the move for them to turn over to me. Even the properties, the legislative department, kasapulan na i-turn over na kumaiti sumret kabarbarong presiding officer.
Sir, nakamat sa previous interviews nga kampanya program sa annual budget kayo. So kaya talagang asawan dahil first nga mataparsat apamang nga summer kayo kasi presiding officer.
As far as the budget of the LGU for 2025 is still inoperative. It's only operative in part. Kaya nasawan, partially approved lang na nagigitay hantay na approved portion. And it's very unfortunate that this was not finished, I believe, because I have not seen any document that was forwarded to me for my approval.
Sir, kano tipos session kayo, sir?
Kailan pa pinamatigyan kat pinagbawatigyan ka namin kat the new set of elected officials will assume their office on March 30 by 12:01 p.m. So most likely we will be having our first session on the afternoon of June 30.
So nag-sink in dati ko tayo, sir, mindset tayo yung tayo yung tulit pa. Ang sumar na vice mayor and the presiding officer.
Well, it's not an issue of sink in. The issue is you should know what you're doing. You should know your role. If your role now is the vice mayor and the presiding officer, then do your work as such. Because the work of the legislative department is totally different from the work of the executive department.
Sir, pertaining kayo kay empleyado at kada iti reassignment, yung marami sir.
Well, the incoming mayor was given the option to select kung sino man yung mga individuals that will be part of his team. Kahit kung saan, nagitay job order kung casual, kung nagitay contract of service. Kat inikam tayo suna, iti pagmadayaw, mamangpili ka iti kaya't na nagbalik na miyembro iti administration na to forward his intention for the welfare of the Salteño.
Sir, napagparan sa ating budget, anong sir, i-alak ka lang tatang panagkilay mo na skin nga may itang importansya iti Sarat po?
If you are referring to the budget for 2026, well, it will depend on the direction of the incoming mayor. We will craft any appropriation ordinance in accordance with the intention of the incoming mayor.
Sir, as a father and son, the sitwasyon nyo, iti personal, hindi trabaho. Kasanamot ka sa iti relationship ito, iti pagpaingan. Kung nakamat na bisa ito pa trabaho, ano?
Well, it is true, we are a father and son, but in terms of yung trabaho ng executive department, he would always consult me based on my own experience, kung ano yung mga nararapat, ano yung mga hindi dapat, para ma-guide natin. Pero to direct him on what I see that is proper, we can only advise him because he has also his own mindset.
Sir, ay message ka rin iti ko, emplado ti Sarat, kasi baru man tatang administrasyon iti mapasungadan iti next week, sir.
Well, tinadawat ko kasi iti empleyado iti local government unit at mga nakabi iti supportang interview iti mungutubyan iti naglabas na talong termino kung iti lasod iti siyang mga tawan at iti tayo kuma iti nananay na suporta tayo kasi iti pagayatan iti incoming administration ni incoming mayor Ralph Medrano at nang magmalaygi nagiti arapaap tayo amin at nagiti arapaap naman at ayat na ma-implementar iti ilitay nga surat na pagsayatan nagiti kailan tayo manong lamaat ano-anaman iti suporta ng tayo iti namutudyan iti naglablabas katawan kat is kumamat ulikad di manayunan tayo nagiti napintas na suporta kung dagriyo mag-serve iti ili nga surat.
Alright, thank you very much ni outgoing incoming mayor, vice mayor, Remy Medrano, iti Sarat Ilocos Norte. So, itong damdama idol dyan, siguro ito clock, dati paiman, panakiyawat ti incoming administration ti anak na, nga ni Mayor-elect Ralph Conrad Medrano, iti Sarat Ilocos Norte. Idol, Dennis Alipio, Tatak, RMN.